Hello and welcome to this next video where we're just going to clean up our website a bit, and at the end we're going to have a finished version of our website. From there, the next video is kind of optional. If you want to start selling products on your website, the next video is going to show you how to do that. If not, if it's just a pretty much informational website, then we'll be done after this video. So first thing, two things I want to kind of highlight. If you're using the same theme, this Virtue theme, you might want to just take some time and explore this link here, the theme options. There's a lot of cool stuff in here that I didn't go through. I wanted to make this video pretty much applicable for all themes, so I didn't get into a lot of the features here. But if you are using this theme, it's probably something you're going to want to look at and explore because there's some really cool stuff in here. Also, the SEO plugin. There's a lot of more advanced SEO stuff you can do. You can link it to your social media sites and manage your social media insights and stuff from here as well. Again, it's a little bit more in depth and it would have taken up a lot of time. So I didn't include it in this video. I just wanted, in this kind of course, I just wanted to go through how to make each of your pages SEO optimized. But again, if you're using this plugin, you may want to explore a little bit there. So as far as cleaning up, a couple things I want to show you that is possible here. So if you go down to settings here and you go to reading, in here you can actually change what you want your home page to be. So right now we have it as a sample page, but let's say we want it to be our portfolio page. We can do that, and we can also select which our post page is going to be, which we want it to be our blog page. So new posts go on there. So we're going to save that. And so now when we go to our site, we click on the home page, and we go to our home, we're going to see this portfolio page come up as the home page. Another place you can do that is in this Customize tab. So when you're customizing your theme, it brings you back to this box. Same thing here, static front page. You can decide which you want your static front page to be. So we still want our post page to be blog, but let's say we actually want it to be our feature projects page because we haven't put that anywhere in our menu, and I excluded it from our menu intentionally because I knew I wanted that to be our home page. So we're going to set that as our home page. We're going to save that. So now this is our home page. We have our featured projects slider with each image is going to take us to that project. We have our latest from the blog here, and we have our footer widgets. The other thing, I'm going to just delete a couple things here. So I'm going to delete this post that was pre-populated in. Let's get rid of that. For our pages, let's delete this sample page as well. And then lastly, let's go to our widgets. And here where we had two widgets, I'm going to just get rid of this secondary menu widget. I don't think it's really necessary. It was mostly just to show you how to do that. And we're just going to keep the blog link there. The last thing I'm going to do is also another quick shortcut. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but if you're on a page here and you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, you can actually just click here and edit the page. You don't have to go into the dashboard, click pages, click edit pages. You can just click edit page from up here. So on this, we're going to change the size of these pictures a bit, just so it looks a bit nicer. Let's do this, update it. View page. There, so now it just looks a little bit better as our portfolio. Our footer looks a little bit better too. And our home page is that. So there we go. We have a pretty much finished website. It's all really a matter of formatting to your own personal taste at this point. We have our home page with our feature image slider or feature project slider. We have our latest blog posts here. We have our widgets and we have our footer widgets. We have a page that's about us that's been formatted. We have our portfolio page. It'll show all our different projects, and each of these will link to the different project. It also has a slider on it. We have our testimonials page, which you may want to, add more testimonials or format these differently, however you choose. We have our blog page. It's going to show our recent blogs and a way to kind of categorize them and search for different blog posts if you want. And we have our contact us page with a contact form that will send messages to our email address. So that's it. We have a pre-finished website. I'm going to kind of conclude with the video there, and then, as I said, the next video is we're gonna add the ability to sell stuff from our website. But if you're not planning on do that, then we pretty much have a finished product here, and you can skip the next video and go right to the now what video, which shows you how to kind of keep your website going forward and what you have to do to keep your website online. Okay, thank you.